Welcome YouTube, Cooper's Automotive, to my journey. 2005 E250 van, 5.4 liter, and I did an intake manifold complete exchange because it was leaking coolant so bad. Cylinder's number 4, number 8. Put plugs in it, couple coils in it, changed that, ran great. Customer took it, after me driving it, no problems, almost didn't come back. And here's the codes that I have. All right, let's get focused in there. As you can see, we got a mass airflow, a lean, an injector fault, an EGR problem. The EGR was pulling open. I unplugged it and things started running better. We got recirculation, we got throttle actuator codes. So, messing around, and I look down here, right there. The wiring harness coming by the EGR pipe, it melted through. Actually now I got 2 broken wires down there and some wires to repair. So I wanted to show you that. If you get one of these, wiggle that harness and look by that EGR pipe. And when you have these weird codes like this, throttle actuators and stuff, after it heats up, gets hot, makes a connection, grounds out, vehicle runs like crap. So we're gonna have a fix. I'm going to repair those wires and move on. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. See you on the next journey. Just want to do a quick follow-up on this. I got the wires repaired, run in, I put some little extra heat shield on that EGR pipe. We use these type of with the heat shrink and solder all in one, slide the wires in, little extra piece of wire, one red, one blue, to kind of keep in the color sequence. And started it up and ran it. Just got our P0102. I'm going to drive it. If I have any other issues, obviously I'll let you know, but I still got to take those wires up and conceal everything. I'm going to call that a fix unless you hear different. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we'll get more consistent with videos.